Meow stares at the sky. Why isn't that cloud moving? Is the cloud stuck or is the sky buffering? Meow shares a fun fact. Some clouds can actually stay still in one place for a long time. This happens when stable winds hold water vapor exactly above the same spot. The coolest part? These clouds can last for hours, even days, without moving at all. They're called lenticular clouds, shaped neatly like natural flying saucers. Meow jokes it's like waiting for an online ride, but the driver never shows up. Follow for more funny and weird facts with Meow the Calico Cat every day.